What is the maximum ACOS we can afford before a sale becomes unprofitable, and what factors should we consider? The maximum ACOS, basically on a product level, is going to be 100% ACOS equals you are going to pay exactly the same amount for your product as the retail price. When you're selling something for $50 and you are paying $50 for it on an ACOS level, that is 100% ACOS. That means that you paid exactly the same amount as if you would retail it for, which right now seems logic, right? But there's a nuance to it. There's such a thing called as a break-even ACOS. The break-even ACOS is not anymore the ACOS that it comes through via your advertising, but it is a number that you're allocating a percentage to. And the way how you would find out your break-even ACOS, you take the retail price of your product, cost of goods sold, and anything that is associated for the product to become eligible for selling. That included also the platform fees on Amazon, and that included also shipping fees that you might have, or anything else that it comes down to manufacturing. You do not include here price for paying your employees, just to be clear. But anything that is product related, now you're going to end up with a chunk of net profit margin. Let's say again, on a $50 per product, you might be adding up cost of goods sold, shipping cost, maybe transition costs, or whatever would be there that you would be adding up, Amazon fees as well, and you end up with $25 after you took out that, from your calculation. That means that basically here 50% is going to be your break-even ACOS. Now that is really, really important, because then 50% it is your true ACOS on a product level. But on Amazon, you are going to aim for the highest of 50% ACOS. If you're spending 100% ACOS is showing up on your Amazon ads, that means that you spend double as much as you can for your ads. So that is why it's really important to understand that the ad console is going to show your on a product level from retail price. Your break-even ACOS is going to be something that you can actually afford for ads. Anything that is above the 50% is going to be negative loss, negative profit margin. Anything that is exactly 50%, you break even. Anything that is below the 50%, you are going to get profit margin there. So that is why it's important for you to understand your margins first, because then that is going to help you better understand what your break-even ACOS is, and then next, what is your ACOS on the ad console, and then how would you tie that.